In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Todoist and Evernote in a comprehensive guide for 2025. If you're looking to seamlessly synchronize your tasks and notes between these two powerful productivity apps, you've come to the right place. This process is made possible through the use of IFTTT, a convenient platform that lets you connect different services effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to have accounts set up in both Todoist and Evernote. So if you haven't done that yet, take a moment to get those ready. Now, to get started with integrating Todoist and Evernote, we'll utilize IFTTT, which stands for If This Then That. It's a free service that allows you to create automation tasks, also known as applets, between different apps and devices. Our goal today is to create a simple applet that links Todoist tasks to Evernote notes. Begin by opening the IFTTT website or app and logging into your account. If this is your first time, you might need to create an account, which is straightforward. Once you're logged in, search for and open the Todoist service in IFTTT. Right there in your Todoist IFTTT channel, you'll see the option that says Create Your Own. Click on that to kick off the process of setting up your applet. Here comes the first action. You'll notice the word if displayed prominently. Click the add button right beside it. This is where you start defining what will trigger the connection between Todoist and Evernote. In the search bar that appears, type Todoist and select it from the list of options. Next, you need to select a trigger. A trigger is an event in Todoist that sets off this automation, such as when a new task is created in a specific project. Choose the trigger that best suits your needs. After you have your trigger in place, you'll click on Create a Trigger to confirm your choice. Now, it's time to set up what happens in Evernote once the trigger occurs. You'll see another prominent word, then that. Click Add beside it, indicating that it's time to decide what comes next after your trigger. In the search bar that pops up, type Evernote and click it when it appears. Just like before, choose an action that will take place in Evernote, like creating a note or adding content to an existing notebook. Once you've selected your preferred action, click on Connect. This might prompt you to authorize the integration, linking your Evernote account securely with IFTTT. Now you have successfully set up a connection between Todoist and Evernote. To see this automation in action, simply perform the trigger event in Todoist and watch as the corresponding action occurs in Evernote. This setup allows you to streamline your productivity by ensuring all your task-related notes are automatically organized and up to date. That's it. You've now integrated your Todoist and Evernote accounts using IFTTT. Enjoy the newfound synergy between your tasks and notes, and thanks for watching.